Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to make cream of broccoli soup, step by step. First, let's get organized. You will need 1 large head of fresh broccoli, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 medium onion. Make sure to chop your broccoli into small florets and dice your onion finely. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Next, add the broccoli florets and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the broccoli is very tender. This is where the magic happens for that creamy texture. Carefully use an immersion blender directly in the pot to blend the soup until it is completely smooth. If you do not have an immersion blender, you can carefully transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender, being very cautious with the hot liquid. Once blended, return the smooth soup to the pot and stir in 1 cup of rich, heavy cream. Almost done, now it is time to season your delicious cream of broccoli soup. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your preference. For a beautiful finish, garnish each serving with some fresh chives or a delicate swirl of extra heavy cream. Serve warm and enjoy this comforting, homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.